How to use the Manila block. Similar with the common hollow block, we will start with the wall footing. This is a representation wherein we have already put our Manila block wall footing below ground, and these are the construction joints. So to proceed with the construction of the wall, we're going to place the outer casing of the Manila block. In this portion where we have a vertical bar, if you can still lift the Manila block, you have to lift and place the vertical steel reinforcement inside. So same with the other portions, you just lift and place. Typically, for our common hollow blocks, these cell walls, you will fill this up with fresh cement and you will wait for it to cure and then place your succeeding blocks on top. But with Manila block, in our system, we will just put the construction joint inside. It's already precast. It will already serve as the binding between the lower and the upper blocks. Similarly, if you have a vertical bars and you can still lift your construction joint, it has a hole, so you can place the vertical bars inside. So you just slip like this and place. The Manila blocks will come with 4 cells, 2 cells, and 1 cells. It's already fabricated in this configuration so that on site you do not need to break it or minimize breaking the Manila blocks. So for the second layer, we will start with a half block and we're going to put this one, lift and place. In this next layer, the third row, I am planning to put a horizontal steel reinforcement. So as you can notice, it will go also to our post. In a typical hollow block, you have to make the cement mortar here thicker and then you're going to place your blocks. But then you will have this issue that the capping mortar should be plumbed so that all of the blocks will still be aligned. But then you have to wait for it to cure. With Manila block, what I did, this is our construction joint. I have already provisioned a groove here that you can just break. If you break it, it will look like this. So this is the channel now for the horizontal steel reinforcement. So to use it, you just have to place These are all with grooves for the horizontal steel reinforcement. In case you have a vertical bar and you cannot lift anymore the construction joint, or this is already connected together with your roof beams, so you can continuously open the groove of the construction joint. So it will open up. So the other side, you can see it's for the horizontal opening. But this one, when you open it up completely, it will now open up for the vertical steel reinforcement. So you just slip, twist, and place. See? Twist and place. You just have to check the alignment, because the alignment is needed. So when you place your horizontal steel reinforcement, it will fall inside. So now we're going to place our horizontal steel reinforcement. Go inside the column rebar, place it. Our Manila block has this horizontal steel grooves already designed in every block. So we will just have to break the ends. You have to break it, and it will look like this. It's already broken. So what will happen if we do not break the ends? If you do not break the ends, when you place your next layer, it's also not aligning with the bottom block. So you can see, it's moving and you still have a space. But if you break the opening like this, you place it and it is already secured. How about this one? If this one, I don't have any more opportunity to lift my Manila block, similar to the common hollow block, we can break it to make an opening for the vertical bars. So the cell, we can break it to open. Oops, teka.